What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, this video is going to be very quick. So I got a new deep conditioner because a couple reasons. I needed more deep conditioner. That's number one. And number two, I used to love my Organics deep conditioners, but they are no longer black owned anymore, so I don't really want to fuck with that brand anymore. And it was the way they did it. They went very shady about it, and I don't like shady shit, so cut the brand off completely, just like Honey Pot. Yeah, I had to cut it. So I needed some more deep conditioner for a wash day. I just washed my hair, so I'm not going to be using this for 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I found this on Amazon. This is the Queen Helene Super Cholesterol. Do I got a boogie in my nose? Why y'all ain't tell me? Okay, so my man had this in his what's it called, under his sink. He had this under his sink and he uses this. So I was like, you know what, this is like literally tried and true back in the day. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try it. And what intrigued me was the pump. I love things that have a pump, and the size for the price. So this one was $5, and you get literally, oh, it don't say, it doesn't say, 907 G's, 2 pounds. Okay, I don't know, but look at this. You get a lot for $5. Now it might not have the best ingredients. I'm not really sure. Let me see. Okay, it probably doesn't have the best ingredients, but I don't really mind it because I'm not leaving this in my hair. I'm gonna wash it out. It's just deep conditioner. It's gonna stay in my hair for at least 30 minutes, if that, or I might deep condition overnight, but for the most part it's not gonna stay in my hair that long. So yeah, but I love that it has a pump. Okay, I love anything with a pump. I don't typically like to scoop. I love anything that has a pump. I just like that. And yeah, so let's just smell it. Okay, it's very creamy. It smells like childhood. Did I get some on my nose? This smells like something that my granny used to use. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I think my granny actually did have this product. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, this is like a back in the day product. So yeah, I'm going to try it for y'all and see. This is gonna last me a very long time because I deep conditioned every wash day, and I wash my hair once every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks I wash my hair and I deep condition while doing that. So yeah, but it says Queen Helene Super Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream restores shine in long lasting for extremely damaged hair. Now I did watch some TikToks about this product as well. TikTok actually made me buy it. I love TikTok. But anyways, so I did watch some videos about this product, and they said it works best with heat. I already deep condition with heat anyway because I'm low porosity, so they say this works better with heat. So that is perfect because I already have shower caps in my hot head, and I like products that work best with heat. So yeah, that is it. Okay, so what it says is it deeply nourishes and repairs extremely damaged hair. My hair is damaged in the front. If you don't know, you probably can't. Okay, so right here in the front of my head, my hair is damaged a little bit, so I want to take care of that. And then it says enriched with hydrating aloe and restorative keratin amino acid protein, super cholesterol helps prevent breakage, brittleness, and split ends while strengthening hair for lasting. I ain't got my glasses on. Vitally, I don't know, and reliable manageability. Washes out easily. So the directions: shampoo hair and towel dry. Apply cholesterol cream generously to hair and scalp. For best result, cover with a plastic cap, then with a heating cap or a hot towel. Keep on for 15 to 30 minutes. Remove towel and cap. Rinse thoroughly. Style as usual. So basically the directions say everything that I was getting ready to do anyway. So yeah, I'm going to be deep conditioning with heat, leaving it on for 15 to or 30 minutes, most likely 30, because I like to watch movies when I be, you know what I'm saying, I like to get an episode in or two when I deep condition. So yeah, and then rinse it out thoroughly, style as usual. So yeah, that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned for this product. This will definitely be on my channel. I'm definitely going to be doing videos on it, and if I don't do videos on my YouTube channel, I'm definitely going to be doing videos with this product on my TikTok. So make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. I'm very informative and I'm very active on my TikTok page, and y'all gonna see this product on TikTok first before YouTube, because TikToks are just easier and quicker for me to make and get out to my audience. So yeah, make sure you follow me on TikTok, Kyla Latrice 98. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace. Oh, and I got this off of Amazon for $5. This big tub was $5. So yeah, peace.